Hey everyone, here's a conveyor tip that you wouldn't want to miss. Treat your conveyor like you treat your vehicle.
To ensure optimal performance from your investment, it is recommended to perform regular self-inspections for any equipment purchased. Catching any problems early could help you avoid a larger expense down the road. So here's your tip. Immediately after conveyor startup, Pack Air recommends checking the catenary sag in plastic chains and plastic modular belts. This is a part of the chain or belt that sags between the drive sprocket and the return guides. Too much or too little catenary sag could dramatically shorten the lifespan of your sprocket and chain or belt. On more recent conveyors, this handy catenary view slot will be located near the drive sprocket to easily measure if your catenary has too little or too much sag.
Checking the catenary every 100 hours up until 500 hours have passed is a great recommendation for applying preventative maintenance in the early stages of operating your newly purchased equipment.